What is a VPN? It's a question more and more people are asking, and for good reason. The internet isn't as free or open as it once was. Censorship is becoming commonplace. Worse, governments and corporations currently track every bit of data sent between internet-connected devices. Let's start off with talking about what it stands for. The term VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. Originally, VPNs were used almost exclusively by businesses. You might work remotely. However, with a VPN, you can access your company internet and network resources from anywhere. There's also lots of practical reasons you might do this. In countries like China, businesses rely on virtual private networks to work with international colleagues and bypass China's famous internet firewall. All virtual private network traffic is encrypted. This makes it impossible for spies, cyber criminals, or hackers without direct authorization to monitor your behavior online. When you access the internet via a virtual private network, you appear as browsing online from your VPN's host country. This is essentially when some online services might not be available in your physical location. Because of their many benefits, many businesses still use virtual private networks. However, VPNs are now also increasingly made use of by everyday internet users. So why should you be using a VPN? Online tracking and monitoring have been with us since the dawn of the internet. In the beginning, most people also saw online tracking of internet users as harmless. This is why we have the famous saying, if you have nothing to hide, you have nothing to fear. Sadly, governments and corporations now use security as an excuse to harvest as much information as possible about everyone online. Corporations use this information to better target advertisements. Others use things like location data for altogether more nefarious purposes. Prices for online products and services often change dynamically to match an internet user's location. Streaming media services like Netflix make different content available in different locations and change dynamic subscription prices. Internet service providers monitor user download and streaming habits. They then notify copyright owners when they suspect that illegal sharing or viewing of content might be taking place. In places like the UK, it's also not uncommon to get a call or a knock at the door from local police if they suspect you of saying something disagreeable on social media. If any of the above feel uncomfortable, you need a VPN. So what does a VPN do exactly? When you use a virtual private network to access the internet, neither your ISP nor anyone else can see what you do online. This is made possible thanks to the fact that VPNs route all your internet traffic through an encrypted tunnel. Different virtual private network clients work slightly different. However, at Shielded VPN, which is also our sponsor, we route all your internet traffic through a dynamic network of 300,000 different IP addresses. To start, we give you our server details. These allow you to log in to our servers from any one of up to 140 different countries. When installed on your computer or device, our client software also encrypts all the data you send and receive in real time. In effect, when you use Shielded, you connect to the internet through us via an encrypted tunnel. This hides your identity and all your browsing behavior from your ISP and anyone else who might be watching. So you might be asking, why should I use a VPN? Some people associate virtual private network usage with illegal activity like torrenting. This is possible, however, most people today use VPNs to improve their online privacy and security. Using a VPN makes it easy to access the internet securely, even when using unsecure Wi-Fi hotspots. When using a VPN, you can avoid throttling of your internet speed by your ISP. Using a VPN allows you to bypass local internet censorship and access content that is otherwise not available in your area. Why use Shielded VPN, you may ask? If you've recently searched for the terms "what is a VPN" in Google, you will no doubt have come across several ads for industry-leading VPNs. Sadly, not all VPNs are as trustworthy as others. In recent years, many top VPNs have been proven to keep logs of user behavior. In some cases, top VPN services have even experienced major data breaches and not told their customers. At Shielded, we are a VPN service committed to user privacy and security. We never log your behavior online, nor has the integrity of our servers ever been compromised by hackers like with some of the other VPN services. As well as committing to never log users' data, we also offer monthly subscription plans starting at just $225 a month. Find out more by checking out our link in the description for Shielded VPN. And we also do have a 4-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out to see if it's for you. Again, Shielded VPN is our sponsor here. And I also do have a video that shows you how to set it up on the iPhone. It's very simple to do. So I will also link it at the end here in case you decide to sign up. If you have any questions about Shielded VPN, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to learn even more about VPNs and how they work, make sure you go to shieldedvpn.com and click on blog. They have a lot of different blogs there that talk about different things, like how the encryption tunnel is set up and how it works. Thank you so much for the view.